Hi everyone, welcome back to Miller Music Studios. I'm Diane Miller, your piano teacher, and we're learning to play Little Playmates on our Suzuki track, lesson number 90, Hands Together, as written. So, I color-coded this a little bit. So we've learned our right hand rhythm and notes, and our left hand rhythm and notes. And in fact, we even have our harmonic structure on our last video. And now we're going to learn how to play hands together. Left hand is playing the C major chord on beat 1 with the right hand finger number 1 on middle C. And in the second measure, the left hand is playing the C major chord again on beat 1 with the right hand playing the 5 on G. Because remember, our finger numbers were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Maybe we should write that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Now this D is going to be played with the second finger of the right hand. 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3. Okay, now we already learned that, but now we can visually see the left hand is going to play the G7 chord on beat 1 with the right hand 2 on D, and then on beat 3 again, and then on beat 1 of the next measure, the right hand 1 is going to play a C, and the left hand is going to play a C major chord. So let's do this together. Okay, so we have our right hand thumb on the C above middle C, and the left hand finger number 5 on middle C, and you're playing a C major chord. Let's play them hands together. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. The next measure, we're going to play our 5 on G, and the left hand is playing a C major chord. Together, ready, go. Next measure, the right hand 2 plays a D, while the left hand plays a G7 chord, and they go together with the right hand staccato and the left hand legato, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was a little tricky with technique, because the right hand has a staccato and a staccato, then a slur, meaning that these are played all connected, smoothly connected, legato. And the left hand is playing G7, G7, and C major. So together that was measures 3 and 4. Ready, go. Okay, now let's look at the next line. The right hand is going to play a 3 on E and a 5 on G, while the left hand plays a 5 on middle C. And you know, this was the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Then in measure 6, the right hand plays a 1 and 3 on C and E, and the left hand plays the 1 on G. They go together. See, I've made the purple line every time the right hand and the left hand play together. So the left hand fingering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 staccato, 5 staccato. And then the right hand again is going to play the 2 on D, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. Those are the finger numbers. Now you see where I have the purple line. On beat 1, you have a G7 chord in the left hand playing with the right hand 2 and D. Beat 3, we have the same thing. Beat 1 of the next measure, C, E, G, C major chord in the left hand with the right hand 1 on C. Okay, let's play that together. So for measure 5, we have right hand 3 and 5 on E and G, and the left hand 5 on middle C. They go together. Ready, go. Thumb on G in the left hand with the right hand 1 and 3. Did you get that? Okay, let's review that again. Measure 5, left hand 5 on middle C, right hand 3 on E and 5 on G. So we play together. 1 and 2 and 3, those two staccatos with the left hand 1 on G, and now the right hand 1 on C and 3 on E, and the left hand plays the 1 on G, and they go together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the fingering. Now the left hand has a G7 and the right hand has a 2 on D, staccato again. Legato. So you had a G7 in the left hand and another G7. This time the right hand, when the D plays with it, you're going to have legato, smoothly connected. Okay. Third line, measure 9. So we have 2 on D, and we have 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3. And this will be an instant replay. Now the first phrase is going to be forte, loud and strong, and then the second phrase will be like an echo, piano, gentle and soft. Okay, so here we have a G7 playing with the right hand 2 on D at the same time, beat 3, right hand 5 on G, playing with the G7 chord at the same time. The next measure, we have the right hand 1 on C, playing at the same time with the C major chord in the left hand on beat 1. And you play together here G7 with the 2 on D, and then G7 with the 5 on G. And then we have right hand 1 on C again and C major. So remember, when you played this, forte, you're just going to play it again here, piano. And then sneak preview, this last line, measures 13 to the end of the piece, are an instant replay of measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, and they're both mezzo forte. So I'm going to play for you both 9 through, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm also going to play for you the last line. Okay? All right, let's do it. Okay, so starting forte, left hand G7 chord, and the right hand 2 on D. Forte, ready, go. Soft. Now, did you get all of that? Let's review it to make sure. So, so we have left hand G7 with the right hand 2 on D, and we're at measure 9, forte. They go together, then you put 4 on F, 3 on E, they're all connected in the right hand. And you can lift your left hand to play G7 again with the right hand still holding. Watch. I'm lifting it but keeping the right hand down. Now that was a 5 on G in the right hand that played with G7 in the left hand. And then you just step down the scale, and C major in the left hand plays with 1 on C in the right hand. There's an arpeggio, C, E, G, E. Now we're going to play that softly. G7 with a D, G7 with a G. Here's our arpeggio. Now the last line is the same as the second line. Here we go, mezzo forte. Okay, so let's play the whole thing, and we'll use dynamics. I'll speak as little as possible. And it says allegretto. So I think of allegretto as cheerful, like an upbeat type of a tempo. The tempo is the speed, right? Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, beginning, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Medium loud. Left hand has the melody, so it's a little louder than the right hand. Now the right hand has the melody. Forte. Right hand has the melody. Piano. Right hand still has the melody. Medium loud. Left hand has the melody. I wouldn't talk very much, but I felt like I needed to talk. This time I'm not going to talk. All right? So you've got to remember everything, all the dynamics, which hand has the melody, because the melody and the accompaniment have to be balanced. Like if you're playing for judges and getting points, you get points for the balance. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, that was fun. So I'll see you at our next video, and I'll play the accompaniment. Okay, so that will be equally fun. And then you can make a recording of yourself playing with the accompaniment. That will be your very own duet. Okay, happy practicing. Here's your kiss. Bing!